Hey guys, it's day 3 of 100. I want to tell you what's going well, what's going bad, what I've changed, and what I'm growing in. My name is Daniel with Screen Repair Business Academy, and I am doing a 100-day push to grow both what I'm doing with the Academy in terms of outreach and the content and more. I'm really excited. This morning, for the first day in 3 days, I actually slept in until 6 o'clock, and why is that? Because I'm doing this 100-day push. Well, I made that choice this morning for two reasons. First of all, I was really tired yesterday morning throughout the morning. I think it's because of 2 different days of getting up early, struggling with being tired. Yes, I drank a second cup of coffee, but I was still really tired. Second reason I made that choice was in the evenings, I have a time where I'll usually hang out, watch a TV show with my wife. It's a special time we just hang out together. I hadn't communicated to her that I was getting up particularly early. And I realized if I sacrifice time with the most important people in order to grow my business, then it's kind of not worth it because the greatest thing I would want with extraordinary success in my business is more time to relax and just spend time with loved ones. I have to remember in the process of growing that I can't consistently sacrifice the most important relationships. And I also need to make sure I keep my energy level up. Last night, I stayed up a little later than I would like, and I slept in an hour later this morning since it's also Saturday. I can do that. What I'm going to do is tonight I'll go to bed earlier, around 10, so I can get 7 hours of sleep leading up to 5 a.m. wake up time on Sunday morning so I can stay focused. What did I learn and what have I accomplished by getting up early? It sounds crazy. Again, yesterday I was able to get a lot more work done in terms of planning out the kind of content I'm going to touch on and the things that I can do to serve my audience. I was also able to get a head start on all the office work and really get a lot of stuff knocked out before I even got the kids up. I'm still, because I still most days am taking an hour to an hour and a half out of my morning to get the kids up and to school. There's not a sense where I'm just pushing from 5 to noon like I'd like, but it's still crucial for me to have that first hour and a half to 2 hours to be able to focus, to be able to plan, and that work time is really valuable. I'm gonna try and quantify a little bit more the value of that and what it looks like in, well, tomorrow's video, and I'll see you guys there. Have a wonderful day.